Hello my whoop friends. In the first part of this video you can see footage of my 65mm 700-228K whoop. I made these recordings for those who have seen my last two videos. To complete the series, if you've seen all three videos you now know how the exact same electronics fly in three different whoop sizes. In the second part of the video you can see a few relaxed flights with a special cam from Happymodel. I bought it by mistake. The cam is 16:9 image format and my FPV Google's 4:3. But maybe someone is interested in the camera and the recordings. That's why I'm sharing the recordings with you in this video. In the shots below you can see my 65mm 700-228K whoop. As I already said, I have now tested the exact same electronics including motors in three different whoop sizes. And I can only say exactly what difference the whoop size or the propeller size makes in a light race whoop. Overall, I can say that the 700-228K engine size is ideal for 31mm two-bladed, three-bladed and I guess also four-bladed propellers. And surprisingly also for 35mm two-bladed and three-bladed propellers. With a 40mm propeller size, modern, lightweight two-bladed propellers are just about acceptable. However, the throttle feeling is no longer constant. And this consistency is very important for racing. In summary, I can say that no whoop is better than the other. Everyone has their strengths and weaknesses. And they all fly a little differently. As an experienced race pilot you can definitely feel the differences. And basically I can recommend everyone to try out all three sizes at some point in their race pilot career. It's definitely interesting, and you learn a lot from it. But it also takes a lot of experience and patience. You should give everyone whoop enough time. And at least 50 to 100 lipos fly with each whoop size. Especially if you're not that experienced yet. Of course it is difficult to see the feeling of flying in the video. Of course, these tests are not really scientific. These tests are based more on the trust you have in me. As your experienced test pilot for whoop racing, if you trust me then you might be interested in how I describe the feeling of flying. Of course I can only describe it roughly, but I think it should give you a good basis for your own projects. So you know roughly what to expect, and how another experienced race pilot sees it. Ultimately, it's about exchanging experiences. If you would like a video where I describe exactly what the different sizes feel like, then write it to me in the comments. However, I think everyone has to have their own experiences. But if there is a lot of interest then I would of course be happy to make a detailed video about this topic. Write me in the comments what you see in my videos. What value do you take from it? Or on what basis you choose your whoop size? I would be interested in that.
You gotta put your past behind you. Look, kid. Bad things happen, and you can't do anything about it, right?
Right.
Wrong! When the world turns its back on you, you turn your back on the world.
Well, that's not what I was taught.
Then maybe you need a new lesson. Repeat after me. Hakuna Matata.
What?
Hakuna Matata. It means no worries.
In the rest of the video you can see my current favorite whoop, the Beta FPV 75 Pro in my modified ButterflyFPV edition. I really like this whoop because it is a very good all-round whoop. If you are interested in how I modified this whoop, then check out the playlist about the 75 Pro on this YouTube channel. Happy flying my friends!
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yeah, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why they say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display. On repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the pain and you'll find a door. Open it up and finally explore everything that you thought you could never do before. And even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, go.